What if I told you there's a way to swap any crypto across chains, total privacy, no KYC, in under a minute? Stick around because GhostSwap is about to change how you trade crypto. Please do remember, folks, to always do your own research before investing in any projects we do talk about on this channel, because I am not a financial advisor and these videos are never financial advice. And also, please do bear in mind that if you want to access GhostSwap, the link to do that will be at the very top of the description of today's video, as well as in the pinned comments. Let's get into it. Alrighty, folks, here we are at GhostSwap.io. Again, make sure you hit it up at the top of the description if you want to get convicted, guys. So this is awesome, guys. Best no KYC crypto exchange where you can swap instantly and, more importantly, guys, anonymously, guys. So with the no KYC, guys, you've got your account privacy. They never ask for your IDs. They never ask for emails or personal data, which is absolutely fantastic in my opinion. In terms of the actual cryptocurrencies themselves, you can actually see here, guys, over 1,500 plus cryptocurrencies are supported, guys, okay? And it all works on a simple 3-step flow, guide. You choose your coins, number 1, you send, number 2, and you can receive, guys, number 3. So really, really easy from that point of view. And guys, you've got your seamless automatic swaps, which is absolutely crucial in cryptocurrency, guys. No account to create, of course, no KYC, as we did actually mention that you have to pass, which can be really annoying because sometimes with these other crypto exchanges where you do need a KYC, you'll be lucky if you pass after a few days, if at all. So really, really important there, guys. And then, guys, aside from that, it's as really as simple as just connecting your wallet, send the input coin, and the output coin, guys, essentially lands in your wallet automatically and very, very easily, guys. And in terms of the actual proven demand itself, guys, it's there. The recognition, guys, it is there, guys. 600 million plus swapped by 1 million plus users, and it's featured, guys, on CoinGate, NFT Evening, guys, 99 Bitcoins, and ICO Bench, as well as some other top no KYC exchanges as well. And it is being represented as, of course, a top no KYC exchange, which simply, guys, there are just not many of these exchanges out there at the moment, guys. You've got a lot of the top pairs here, as we can see. This is probably one I'm going to get involved in here a bit. Shiv and Pepe here as well. All right, guys, so you've also got your lightning fast swaps, guys. So most exchanges that you actually go ahead and do on GoSwap, guys, are actually done in mere seconds, so you never have to wait around, guys. In terms of the actual fees themselves, they're always transparent and upfront, so you can see, guys, so every charge is a network fee plus a small service spread, and it is, of course, displayed before you actually hit exchange, guys. No hidden markup, no nonsense. I'm not going to name any other apps or mainstream exchanges there, crypto apps, but it does happen, guys. It does happen. You would be surprised, guys, okay? There's also a built-in fiat on-ramp, so absolutely fantastic, guys. A buy crypto tab, which lets newcomers purchase things like BTC, Ethereum with your card, guys, and swap instantly with no need for a second platform. So you're just absolutely laughing. And beyond all of that, if you haven't realized already, guys, the actual interface itself is very beginner friendly, guys. All right, so guys, make sure you go ahead and get involved in GoSwap, guys. The link to do that will be at the top of the description of this video or at the top of the pinned comments as well, and you can go ahead and access that. And do let me know in the comments section of this video, guys, what did you think about today's video talking about GoSwap? I think that the no KYC GoSwap is absolutely fantastic, and we need more non-custodial swap services like this, guys. Crypto exchanges like this, guys. So again, always make sure you do your own research for investing, though, all right, because these videos are not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, guys. If you liked the video, like it, subscribe, hit the notification bell, guys, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.